To get the fabulous Washington potato that we all know and love, it takes a lot of care and hard work. Today, we're going through a potato inspection station where thousands of potatoes are hand inspected for quality before becoming French fries.
I'm here with Rob Hopp with AgWorld Support Systems.
AgWorld is a independent third-party inspection service. Our product that we provide is information. We're looking for external and internal defects, and then there's other attributes that we're looking and measuring. We're basically providing what's usable and what's not usable.
A percentage of every crop is inspected before they're allowed to become French fries, so only the best potato crops are accepted.
If the quality is better, they're going to pay the grower more. If the quality is lesser, they're going to not pay them or even reject them. They need an independent, unbiased party to do the evaluation, so neither side has influence.
Got my hard hat on. Let's go.
Okay. So the clean potatoes come up, and then they come down, and then they're released onto this table. Every one of these will be picked up and examined. And what we're looking for here is we're looking for external defects. The usable potatoes get sized, and then the ones with potential defects get examined. If they get one that has defects and they cut them off and the defects go in the defect bin, the remaining portion still may be a good potato. It may not be. It's just a process of sorting by size and sorting by usable and unusable up here.
You need all hands on deck for this job.
The usable potatoes that meet the USDA requirements end up here in different size categories.
From there, the potatoes get separated into groups to go to different tests. One of these tests is a French fry color test, making sure that all the potatoes make great fries.
We're basically cutting the potatoes into French fry strips and frying them up and checking for color.
Well, that's why it smells so good in there. This job could either make you really want French fries or really not want French fries.
All the potatoes we don't use for internal gravity and fry go into the peeler. Once the potatoes are peeled, then they come through a scrubber, and then they come out on the table. And they're essentially looking for bruise and bruise-free. Our information is determining the value of the potatoes. There's a base price on the contract, and the grower gets incentives for higher quality and deductions for lower quality.
So what makes a good French fry potato?
The more of the potato that they can cut into strips without having to trim part of that strip, that's the idea. A potato that's a nice, well-rounded shape with no defects on it, you'll get maximum amount of French fries.
And what happens to the potatoes after all of this is over with?
The ones that are cut, they won't use, but all the other ones that are good potatoes that get peeled go into the plant, and they will use those.
They'll process them.
They'll process those. At the end of the day, we do a lot of pounds of potatoes here, and so at the end of the year, it really adds up. And so they don't get wasted. They get used.
Well, thank you so much for the tour.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's really cool to see how it all works, and you guys work hard.
I don't think the average person understands the amount of energy and effort and science and technology that goes into making a French fry.
I don't think they do, but they will. We should go eat some French fries.
I agree with that.